IKEA is the perfect place for shopping quality home items on a serious budget. And today we are going through our favorite IKEA finds under $10. All the products will be linked in the description box. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. We are starting off with the bamboo 8-inch serving bowl. Next one is the MOSSLANDA Picture ledge for only $9.99. And they made it in this gorgeous pale pink too. An absolute top seller is this gorgeous headset and tablet stand for only $4.99. And of course our personal favorite, the FLÅDIS Basket, which is an amazing storage for just $9.99. And our new favorite, sink essential. This watering can will definitely give you those Japandi vibes. Even if you don't use it for watering your plants, this is such an amazing decor item. If you're into faux greenery, the FEJKA plants are the best and most budget-friendly option in general. For under $10, you can find a bunch of different options, and these are our favorite ones. IKEA is also known for the mirrors, and this one's their top seller. You can also get it in a standing version for only $5.99. IKEA has a variety of amazing decor items. And here are our favorite ones under $10. Vertical storage is essential for small spaces, and this one's only $9.99. Also, this metal memo board, which comes with magnets, is the perfect solution for entryways. And if you're looking for cheap floor lamps, we got you. Also, our favorite desk lamp that looks super stylish for only $6.99 with LED bulb included. Now that's a steal! And another top seller item, this flatwoven rug for only $3.99. Storage solutions are the best at Ikea, and these boxes are for the Kallax unit. Also, this cute basket that fits perfectly into the Billy bookcase. Now this plant pot is something else. Unleash your creativity and make your own centerpiece by combining several of them. Throw blankets and throw pillows are the coziest at Ikea. Another one for the Japandi vibes, this placemat for only $5. And our absolute favorite, the French press coffee maker, that now comes into this mint green color too. And last, this folding chair for only $9.99. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, designers!